that the SIT has said very clearly that of course we are going to start the investigations, but it's like meandering through a maze. Where we start, the names of people, and we know that the report we got at least is the redacted report, but maybe the original report has a lot of names. To go after those people, to go after those perpetrators. You know what, Fazia, give me some hope, Fazia. I was thinking, all right then, it's going to take so much time that by the time at least me at my age may die. Do you think these are delaying tactics?
Probably, probably because a lot of heavyweights have been mentioned and names of the perpetrators. And if it has gone out with full will to justice, yeah, lot of tumble, lot of uh, disruption of status quo will happen. And I really doubt how much will to justice is there.
Yeah. You
I
see,
doubt.
yeah, Fazia, my second part of this story is where I'm asking a question, when will Mukesh quit? Because I was asking Mohanlal stand up, Mohanlal quit, he quit yesterday. Not that he quit because of me, but I'm saying it's a question that is playing up on my mind. This character Mukesh, who's on the screen right now, is somebody who's a CPIM MLA from Kollam, if I'm not wrong. He's a man who was an actor. Minu Munir was on my show yesterday, and she said very clearly, this man threatened me. He said, listen, if you act, hanky panky with me and try to create a big ruckus about I did this, that, then you can't possibly survive in the industry. The thing is, don't you think, as a messaging, of course, if you ask Pinarayi, he'll say SIT is there, it will do its job. Yeah, yeah, let it. But as a messaging, don't you think this man should go?
Of course, there is a strong moral obligation, and if there is any sense of conscience at play, action should be taken. He should move. Definitely, he should quit. If there is any modicum of you know self-respect and dignity, obviously it's not there, and it's very shameful the way holding on. It's very shameful.
Okay, Fazia, I also want to ask you that 17 cases have come. Lot of women are now, today we heard
Yeah.
Sonia also speaking. Several other women. They are. Someone said it's M&M. I don't want to really go into who M&M is. For me, it is still the toffee that we all used to eat as children, M&Ms. But the point is that I want to ask you something. The Amma committee, executive members, everyone, and also Mr. Mohanlal, they have quit. But
Yes.
Fawzia Fatima, do you think it's going to make any kind of a difference? Because I'm not really doubting Mr. Mohanlal's acting chops. He's fantastic, he's great. But then the influence that they have, because I was watching one of his old interviews where he's very blase. He says, yeah, maybe, I don't want to comment. You go and talk about it. There is a kind of it's not about, sorry, I don't want to comment. It's about being very blasé, throwing your hands behind. You're a cinematographer, you know that expressions are very important. It is like, so that kind of a thing. Do you think it's going to impact people like Mohanlal, or even, let's not talk about Siddique because they are small fish compared to Mohanlal, but then do you think it's really going to impact them in any fashion?
They have achieved, no, they have completed the full cycle actually.
Okay.
So whether it will impact them, they are still holding the currents and holding the strings, and it will definitely affect others. But the good thing is, there has been impact in, say, in Bengal and in the Calcutta industry. Women have taken up arms against, the injustice that's happening in society. I would rather see the impact of this in what is going on in other states. And with this doctor's case, the women have, especially women in media, have come together, women behind screen, to formulate their demands and requesting the, change to happen in Bengal.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
here it is like ostrich, nothing happens, and you just put their head. The accomplished people will stick their head in the ground, and as if nothing happens.